Jai Vasri. Very good evening to one and all. I'm very happy to introduce my dear friend, my confidant, my everything, Chandrika Kuberan. So I would say that I was very blessed to get Chandrika as my as secretary for 2019 and 21. Initially, we were like acquaintances and good friendship. That's about it. But we just got to know each other so much for the past 2 years. She's a real lifesaver indeed. So anytime, anything, as a chairperson, I requested, never, not even once, did she say no to it. Always there, supportive. Any new thing I would come up with, and she would say, "Yes, Sujata, we can do it." And Chandrika and Maheshwari, both of them, they were like left and right hand to me, and we were all three, like three musketeers. We shared so much for the past 1.5 years. Our friendship has grown like anything. So Chandrika is a very friendly person, very knowledgeable, at the same time very humble, down to earth, ready to lend a helping hand to anybody and everybody. And whatever projects we took up, any fundraising, she's there to support us. And she could use all her goodwill and got us a lot of funds for a fundraiser, and even for this souvenir. She helped us so much. So thank you, Chandrika. This is an opportunity to show my gratitude to you. Thank you. That's all I can tell you. Thank you. I'm so blessed. Thank you, God. Thanks a lot. There you go.
It is award conferring moment to the successful secretary, and here is the Pillar of Strength award. She is also the pillar of strength to the family, and at least once I crown her. That's fine. And here is a certificate from the Sabha and a nice memento. Congratulations, Secretary.
Thank you. Our family is our strength. Mahila Sabha is our family. I was brought into the fold of the Sabha by Padma Preeta, whom I thank at this moment. And I was made to shine by Sujata Ramesh Babu by conferring this award as well. Thank you, Sujata. My congratulations to all the Mahilas who have received awards from the Sabha. You all deserve it and much more. Jai Sri Vasavi.
Jai Vasvi. Very good evening to one and all. I'm very happy to introduce our dear treasurer Maheshwari Siva. So our friendship has grown so strong for the past 1.5 years. Initially, like we were there in Mahila Sabha, and we used to do whatever work comes our way, we used to do it. That's about it. But these 1.5 years have made our friendship stronger. Real, probably Fevikwik or whatever. So that was the friendship we have now. And initially, Maheshwari Siva hesitated whether to take it up. But once she had taken it up, no looking back at all. 100%, 200%. Both Chandrika and Maheshwari, they made all our activities. I'm always a dreamer, and I would love to do many things. And whatever I put it across to them, both of them said, yes, we can do it. And they worked along with me 100, 200, 300%, whatever you want to do that. And she is also very calm and composed. I'm the one who just goes like this. Very studious and very smart. Still, they just wait for their turn to speak up or whatever. So she maintained the accounts so well, and every detail she used to share it with us. So it was phenomenal. Very nice person to get as a treasurer. Thank you, Maheshwari. So this is an opportunity for me to thank you and put it on record as well. So Mahila Sabha is proud to have Chandrika and Maheshwari. Thank you guys so very much.
Good morning. My husband is honoring now on behalf of Tamil Nadu Adivasi Mahila Sabha. Shiva garu.
Congratulations, all the best.
I am very happy to receive this prestigious award from Tamil Nadu Aryavisya Mahila Sabha. It was a wonderful journey as a treasurer for the past 18 months. I really enjoyed the treasurer post. I thank all the committee members who supported me always. I dedicate this award to my parents, my husband and my family members who always supported me. Thank you.
నాకు ఈ పిల్లర్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్ అవార్డు ఇచ్చినందుకు మహిళా సభకు నా ధన్యవాదాలు. నాకు ఈ అవార్డు అందుకున్నందుకు చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. ఇక ముందు కూడా ఇలాగే నా సర్వీసెస్ మహిళా సభకు అందజేస్తానని వాగ్దానం చేస్తున్నాను. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ టు మై హస్బెండ్ అండ్ మై ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ who has supported me to achieve this award. And I am very and appreciate our President, Mrs. Sujata and her team, who has worked even in this COVID period to encourage all of us. Thank you.
Greetings to all ladies. On behalf of our Sabha, my daughter is honoring to me. Thank you. Seeing this award, so happy. Thank you. The pioneers of prestigious Tamil Nadu Aravesha Mahila Sabha Madras unit for presenting this memorable award. Thank you to the pious leadership of Chairman Sujata, under whose vision the incredible ladies, Secretary Chandrika and Treasurer Maheshwari Siva, are serving with spirit of service to the humanity and women upliftment. I express my heartfelt New Year greetings to all the members of the Tamil Nadu Aravesha Mahila Sabha. Jai Vasuni.
Friends, I am overwhelmed to receive all these awards and rewards from our club. Kudos to Super Sujata and team. During this pandemic also they have done marvelous programs. I am very happy to receive all this. Thank you.
Jai Vasuni, Happy New Year to one and all. I thank Tamil Nadu Aryavaishya Mahila Sabha who honored me. Thank you.
thank the Tamil Nadu Aryavesha Mahila Sabha for honoring me with this shawl, sash, tiara and the awards. I am extremely delighted to receive this from my family. I thank Sujata Garu and her team for coming up with this great innovative idea and giving us a great memory. Thank you.
Receiving honors from my husband, Dr. Satish. This is an excellent innovative addition to the galaxy of activities conducted by Tamil Nadu Aryavesha Mahila Sabha. My hearty congratulations to the present chairperson and her team who has made the banner of Mahila Sabha fly higher. And this award infuses responsibility in everyone to be more committed towards society. This Pillar of Strength Award awarded graciously by Tamil Nadu Aryavesha Mahila Sabha. I am so overwhelmed to receive this award, and I am happy to dedicate this award to my family members, to my husband, to my children and to my son-in-law who have been my pillar of strength in all my activities. Thank you, Mahila Sabha. Thank you. Okay? Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Nidish. Sujata and team, I am very happy to receive all these things. I feel like I am in the top of the world, like a queen, and both my grandsons have helped me to take this video. Thank you so much, dears. Bye. All the very best.
Thank you so much, Tamil Nadu Aryavesha Mahila Sabha. Special thanks and mention to our dear chairperson, Mrs. Sujata Ramesh Babu, for recognizing me. This really inspires and motivates me to do more and more good work to the society, to our Sabha. I really love our Mahila Sabha. Thank you once again. empowerment, philanthropy, and social service are very important in society. Even through the pandemic, our Mahila Sabha has achieved all these goals super successfully. I am grateful to be a part of it and feel very proud to be honored for my continued commitment. I take this opportunity to thank my family for always being by my side and for their staunch and precious support. We cheers to Mahila Sabha.
I thank Sujata. I thank all my committee members. Thank you.
I thank the Tamil Nadu Aryavaishya Mahila Sabha Madras unit for this honor. Taking part in the health camps and the various cultural, social and religious activities of the Mahasabha from 2001 has been an enriching experience. I thank my husband for being a stable support and steady encouragement. I thank him also for being behind the scenes and backing me always, and today he is behind the camera too. I thank all of you for making me a different person, a better person, and I honestly believe it is you people who have been my pillars of strength. My heart is full.
Sujata, thank you for your thoughtful honor. In the memento, you have mentioned that every member has added strength to our Sabha. I doubt about the strength, but I definitely added the weight to the Sabha. In fact, I am surprised several times at the level of general knowledge and discern of our members have. It is really great. I feel these Sabhas of 100 years old also wouldn't have achieved this much. I think the core committee, that is President, Secretary and Treasurer, have decided to outsmart the previous one. How is this possible? That is, you people have determination and tireless hard work, even in difficult times of Corona lockdown. We got used to these virtual meetings, Sujata. Sharing and caring are the twin concerns of our committee members. Venturing is yet another dimension of Mahila Sabha. Jai Ho, Digvijay Ho.
I am very much honored to receive the award as Pillar of Strength from Tamil Nadu Aryavaishya Mahila Sabha, and that too receiving from my husband. I am really proud and honored, and I am doing my bit to the society through Tamil Nadu Aryavaishya Mahila Sabha to the society, whatever I can do, because it's an organization which is committed. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chairman Mrs. Sujata and Tamil Nadu Aryawaisya Mahila Sabha for presenting me with this award. I am really proud to be a part of this Sabha. I will continue to give my support to this Sabha in the coming years too. I dedicate this award to my family. Thank you.
I am grateful to the Tamil Nadu Aryawaisya Mahila Sabha for bestowing me with this honor.
A big thanks to my husband for doing the honors. I feel deeply overwhelmed and humbled. It is with a deep sense of gratitude that I thank Tamil Nadu Aryawaisya Mahila Sabha for recognizing me with this award.
Hi, good morning. My husband is doing the honors on behalf of Tamil Nadu Aryawaisya Mahila Sabha.
Hi everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Rajesh, for the honors. I'm really very thankful in receiving this wonderful award from Tamil Nadu Aryawaisya Mahila Sabha. I'm overwhelmed and I'm speechless in receiving this wonderful award. I dedicate this award to my husband, my children and the entire family who had helped me in accomplishing this dream come true. This indeed had made my job more responsible in serving the society. I sincerely appreciate it, and 3 cheers to Tamil Nadu Aryawaisya Mahila Sabha. Thank you.